Hello traders, how are you? Let's be real for a second. You have probably watched video after video, strategy after strategy, indicator after indicator, still stuck, still confused, still not consistent. No clear roadmap, no one telling you what actually matters, no one showing you how to learn trading the right way, no mentor, no proper plan, and no real system that actually works for you. After all of that, I created this YouTube channel because I know how exactly how that pain feels, what it's like to want to succeed in trading but feel completely lost. No one ever told me how to really trade. No one taught me how to build a proper strategy, how to build a proper system, the real system that actually makes sense. So now I am here to give you everything I never get. This channel is called ICT Wyckoff, and it builds for traders who are tired of wasting time and ready to become something better. This is not just another trading channel. This is not where you will get random entries or 2 to 3 minutes video of strategy. This is where you will finally get direction, a proper system, a complete framework, step by step, with the logic behind every step. Let me show you what we are going to cover in this channel. We will start from the basic. I mean the real foundation of forex, not copy paste content but actual clarity about what is forex, how the market breathes, how liquidity works, and how the game is really played. From there we will dive into both technical and fundamental analysis, but you will learn when to use each one and how to connect them into a smart approach. Then we go into price action. We learn first price action. You know, in market 70 to 80% people working on price action. Price action is the old and famous technical analysis method. So we first learn price action. You will understand how retail traders see price, how they get trapped, and what mistake they repeat again and again. This part is important because you will start seeing the market from a new angle. After that, the core of our system begins. You know what the core of our system? The core of our system begins. We will learn the complete ICT, and we learn ICT selectively, understand how market really works, what is liquidity, and how liquidity concepts we apply in the real market. This is not a just surface level. We will go in deep. Once we understand ICT, we move into something even more powerful, that is Wyckoff methodology. A lot of people throw around the name Wyckoff, but they don't actually understand it. Wyckoff is the original smart money framework developed by Richard D. Wyckoff to decode how big players accumulate, distribute, trap, and run the market. We will break it down into real world phases. We will study accumulation, markup, distribution, and markdown. We will study logical events in Wyckoff and how market accumulate and distribute. You will learn about each and every phase, what smart money doing in market, and how to they trap a retail trader. And the main thing, we apply them on live chart. Then comes VSA, volume separate analysis. VSA, what give you confirmation. This is the branch of Wyckoff. It teaches you how to understand candle behavior using volume, range, and logic. You will learn how to read whether smart money is entering or exiting. It gives you setups, structure for when to enter and when to wait. And then we combine all three, ICT, Wyckoff, and VSA. This is what we build at ICT Wyckoff YouTube channel. It's not just one approach, it's a triangle of logic, structure, and timing. ICT gives you liquidity logics, time and price theory. Wyckoff give you market structure and phases, and VSA give you confirmation and entry clarity. And when you combine them, you stop gambling and start trading with plan. But even with all this knowledge, if your mind is weak, your trades will be weak. That's that's why we focus heavy on psychology. Most traders don't lost because of their system, they lost because of their behavior. They overtrade, they fear, they doubt, they revenge, they get trapped by their own emotion again and again. On this channel we will fix that too. You will learn how to think like a lear trader, how to manage your emotion, how to develop consistency, confidence and clarity. We will talk about patience, mental structure, daily routine and internal discipline, because no matter how strong your analysis is, if your psychology is broken, your account will bleed. And that bring me the real point of this channel. This is not a course, this is not a bunch of random tutorials, this is a complete mentorship program. This is the guidance I never received, and now I am giving it to you fully. Every week you will get structured focused content. We are not just going to talk, we are going to build step by step, phases by phases and lesson by lesson, from understanding to application, from analysis to execution, from confusion to clarity, from confusion to clarity. So if you are serious about trading, if you are ready to go beyond the surface, if you want to develop your own powerful system and become a trader with real confidence, this is the beginning. This is ICT Wyckoff YouTube channel. This is your mentorship. This is your edge. And it starts now. Subscribe and turn on notification and get ready, because this journey will change the way you trade forever.